Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to monetize your Twitter account and start making a lot of money. People have been reporting major payouts so far. So let's dive into the Twitter app, the new X, and let's go and see. So the main point over here, guys, first of all, I want to show you where are the monetization strategy. If you click on any of these, I would say very popular posts, okay? If you scroll down in the comment section, you would see that there is an ad in between the comments. Okay, so you see a couple of comments and then boom, there is an ad, couple of comments and then there is an ad. Let me show you how you can actually get qualified for the ads. All you gotta do is to go on your profile, scroll down and click monetization. When you go on monetization on X or Twitter, right, currently, there are two available options to make money on Twitter through Twitter 2 programs. Okay, first one is subscriptions. Essentially, over here, people will be signing up and will be paying you monthly subscriptions that will support you, support your page, right? Your tweets, the content that you're providing, very similar to Patreon. Nothing new over here. Let's go over the requirements. The requirements, of course, are not so crazy. First of all, you gotta get verified, meaning that you gotta pay for premium service, premium subscription for Twitter. You're gonna get the check mark, and then the next one it's 500 followers, and the next one essentially is to be active in the past 30 days and to be at least 18 years old. Very simple. I believe people who are not already on Twitter or just thinking about it, they can qualify for this very easy. The second option where I believe the more money are, and I've seen a lot of people getting, reporting a lot of payouts over there, are over here, ads revenue sharing. Remember how I showed you on the opening line in the video how there are these ads that are, precisely placed in between the comments of the viral post. Not only on the viral post, I would say more popular posts. So the requirements over here is that point number one, you should be subscribed to premium or verified organizations. So this is something that I already mentioned on the first option. You gotta be a subscribed premium member or user of Twitter. Okay. Second requirement is that you should have at least 5 million impressions on your post within the last 3 months. 3 months, 90 days, 5 million impressions. Let's say you publish 10 times a day, right? That's not bad. 10 times a day, you have 90 days, right? So think about it. You could actually generate these 5 million impressions. And the last requirement is the same as the first option of the subscription monetization. You should have 500 followers. So this is how people are making the most of money. I've seen people receiving payouts of $20,000 just from these ads in the comments. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So I believe, guys, this is a very good opportunity, especially if you are into news, right? All these people who are publishing or covering news on a daily basis. It's crazy how much money these people could be making. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.